Assalamualaikum. How are you? I'm good. You know what I will eat? What? Tell them. Rush? How you call it? Rush? Roast.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you? Appear me. Tumulo siya. Ayaw niyang ituloy yung pag-aano niya. See, it's coming. My God, I'm famous here now. I'm only just typing KNT, it's already coming. Say hi, what's your name?
Dawood Shayan.
They will like you. Say hi. Oo, ang gwapo. Gusto niya yan. Alam ko. Baba! Eto na siya. He was the reason why I came back here. Say hi na. Baba. Appear me. Ay, wow. Bakit may mga manok? Ba yan? Yes, Baba.
Big problem.